Preeti and I'm the founder of the Startup Booster. Startup Booster is basically a 360-degree marketing company, and our services are website development, application development, testing, and apart from this, we are also into digital marketing, branding, and 2D, 3D videos. Apart from that, also we are into staffing services, and we are the proud member of Dial for Trade. If you want to connect us, you can reach us anytime, and we will help you to grow from the scratch. And apart from that, we are in the industry since 2016 and have been working with many sectors like manufacturing, insurance, BFSI, and others. So you can reach us and you can grow your brand with us. Thank you so much.